Hello and greetings to all. Hope to find all of you smiling and in best of your health, and hope that you people are still pursuing your passion and life goals with all fervorance and all dedication and all goodwill. Today in this video, I'm going to basically talk about something which very frequently is asked, and that is that, ma'am, I'm already in a working profile. I have my very tight working schedules. So how much time do I actually need to take out for preparing this DIP IFRS course? Because I can do understand that each one of us have our own professional commitments, family commitments. I have certain personal life goals for myself, and I would want to spend some personal time for myself too. So what I need to do, how much time I need to spend. So I'm going to now talk about only this factor. And for this, first of all, we need to understand that IFRS is only one paper, and this paper, the duration of this paper is 3 hours 15 minutes. And the total number of questions that we need to attempt is 3 plus 1, 4. This whole course is technically based on all the standards, on all the new standards. And if we are talking about how much time I need to study, then I would rather want to state here that it is not exactly how much time, it is precisely what is your work schedule. It depends upon your own study habits. There is no hard and fast or standardized, rule for it. So how well you can schedule yourself, how well you can plan yourself, that is what is going to, decide. Now, what I am going to suggest here is that in general, I want you to remember that it would take you about 2 to 3 months to prepare for this course. And the second important thing that I need you to remember is that once you prepare a schedule and plan out yourself, please do plan it in this way that you get at least 2 revisions for yourself. So it is very important for us to understand that I complete the course once, and then I am able to revise all the standards and practice the questions, the last questions that have come in the last 3, 4 to 5 years. I practice them diligently again and again. So I would suggest 2 revisions should be more than enough if you are doing it diligently and passionately. And one important thing I also want you to remember is that, sometimes I feel that I'm competent enough to do it, but of the experience that I've had for so many years of teaching, I do understand that human nature is a little, we're a little lazy at times. So I would suggest that even if you think that you're competent enough to sit and study on your own self, but you would need some online coaching platform. Why I'm preferring online? Because of the COVID times that are happening here, and also because online gives you your own flexibility, your own way wherein if I feel that I am more comfortable studying at night, then online would be the video learnings would be the one that I can pick them up and I can study at that point of time. So that gives me my own independence and my own flexibility area. But also, the other reason for this is that it would help me to create that schedule and to channelize and plan my completion, the course completion process in a systematized and an organized way. Otherwise it will be very difficult. मैं कहती तो हूँ कि मैं कर लूँगी, but मैं कब कर लूँगी वो कभी नहीं आता. So I have to get into that organized schedule. For that organized schedule, I would need somebody to coordinate with it. I would need somebody to guide me and give me a formatted structure. I would need somebody who would tell me that this needs to be done in all these steps and in this planned manner. So this is what I can suggest you. Number one, that it needs a committed study schedule. So whatsoever, not very long hours, 2 to 3 months, yes, on a daily basis, you would need to spare out time. And second is a little monitoring is needed for you to ensure that this logical schedule is being followed. Who am I? I'm Dr. Jasmine Kaur, creator of theshads.com, an online IFRS learning platform. And here I would just want to add on one small thing, and that is that at the Shads, I can assure you that if you can spend 25 minutes of your busy schedule out of 24 hours a day, if you can do it on an everyday basis, I can assure you that you would be able to complete your course in next 2 to 3 months and would be able to successfully complete your DIF IFRS program, because this is what my platform, this is what the courses that I have created. I've created in a student friendly manner where you get the key highlights of all the standards, you get test yourself kits, you get a happy learning ideology where we provide you with flashcards to enhance your learning, and we also keep on monitoring you after each and every unit completion, wherein a test is given to you, you complete your test and you get a feedback that what are your weak points and where you need to put in more efforts. So you are most welcome to visit my website, that is www.tishads.com, where you would get a comprehensive idea as to what the course is all about. And do subscribe to my channel, because here in these video series we would be referring to various questions and answers and doubt clarifications regarding IFRS, and we would also be talking with respect to each and every nuances of this. So subscribe to the video, like this video, put your comments on, tell me what your doubts are so that I can personally be there to help you solve and resolve your queries. See you soon. Till the next video, take care, keep smiling and stay blessed.